If we ask people what is their favorite dish or what is the favorite Indian dish, most people will be speaking about biryani. Now, why is biryani so popular? Biryanis are very popular because it is really royal. Uh, there is a legend behind this biryani. People say that there was a kingdom called as Bahros 2000 years ago, which rose to popularity around the world for its recipe of layered rice and secret spices, a recipe that lured kings and masses alike, a dish that we know as biryani. But unfortunately, this recipe was lost forever when King Cyrus laid siege to Bahros until it was discovered among the ruins. With this biryani, we have brought back to, with this biryani we are making, we are bringing back to the lost recipe of Bahros. So I'm just trying to make a new version of biryani. It's not a new version, it's a vegetable biryani. It's a vegetable paneer Dham biryani. There may be people making this biryani, but this is something unique blend of north and south. So let us see how we can make this biryani. For this, I'm just giving a recipe of how we are going to make a paneer vegetable biryani of half kilo rice. Half kilo rice is equivalent to 2 glass of rice. If you don't have a to measure kilo, you can take 2 glasses of rice. And if you take 2 glass of rice, the equal amount of water you have to add is 4 glasses. Now, first of all, we will see how to make the biryani rice. For this, we need the following ingredients: cardamom, cloves, black pepper, cinnamon stick, Shai Jeera, black stone flour, bay leaves, and rose water. Okay, so these things you can take in pinches. Cardamom, one or two, and cloves also, one or two or three. Black pepper, 5, 6. Cinnamon stick, a big stick. Shai Jeera, a pinch of that. Black stone flour, 1 or 2. And bay leaves, also 1 or 2. Okay, so this you put into this 4 glass of water that we have taken to boil this 2 glass of rice. Okay, so first we have to put it in this water and boil it, and then add this rice into this and then keep it for boiling. Now we have to add, after putting this rice into this water containing these spices, we have to squeeze a lemon, add the necessary amount of salt, and 2 tablespoons of oil. So this is the way we have to make this rice for making this particular biryani. Now we have to if you want to make this rice faster, there is a trick, and that is to soak this rice for 10 minutes before we are trying to make it boiling. Okay, so make the rice boiling. Okay, so that will take some time, but intermittently we have to go on stirring this rice so that it will not stick to each other. This is what you have to do. So by the time the rice gets cooked on another stove or another burner, you can make onion fry onion. Okay, this is very essential ingredient of this biryani. Frying onion, so you have to slice it as thick, as thin as thin blade, very thin, because that and then you slice maybe 4 or 5 onions you take and slice it, as much as onions you add, but if not too much, 4 or 5 you can take and slice as thin as possible. Thinnest makes the best. So then slice it, it becomes thinner, and then you just add it. Okay, then fry it. Don't make it too brown. When it is almost light brown, you can take it out. Put it on a tissue so that all the extra amount of oil will be drained away. Okay, so by this time you can do one more thing, that is to make your kismis and cashew. Take a small frying pan and then add ghee. Then when you are adding ghee, you put the kismis and cashew. Don't make it too much hot. You can make it on medium flame, and then it will, when it becomes little bit soaked with ghee, off it. Don't make it brown. Or so this is the so you can take it kismis and cashews. So you can take half cup of cashews and half cup of kismis for this purpose, and 2 tablespoons of ghee for frying it. Okay, so we have fried onion. We have already kept the rice for boiling, and also we have made the kismis and cashews. After offing the burner, you can keep it for some time, and that time you add rose water. Rose water, it should be added when it is almost boiling. The way. So we have cooked rice, we have made onion, fried onion, then ghee. Now there is the third thing that we have to do, and for that we need the following vegetable. We need green peas, beans, we need carrot, we need cauliflower, we need potato, we need tomato, we need onion. So what is the quantity we need? We need 250 grams of green peas, 250 grams of beans, as one big carrot, then a medium sized cauliflower, to 1 or 2 or 3 potatoes, then tomato 2 or 3 small or 2 big, then onion 3 or 2 according to the size of it. So these are the things. So now we are going to make the vegetable for making this rice, and for that you need a pan, almost a medium sized pan, and in that you put oil, 1 or 2 or 3 elachis, cloves 2 or 3, cumin, cinnamon stick 1 big one, bay leaf. You add it. After some time it will start burning up, it start hot and make some sound. When that happens, you immediately add onions. You add 3 onions, you slice, not as the slice what you have made earlier. It's medium size slice you make, and you add it. When it is light brown, you just add turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder is enough. Then you make that you have to already make it. That is 1 piece of ginger, 2 or 3 garlic, and 5 or 6 green chili. This you don't make it into a paste. You make it into a small pieces. By putting in the mixture, you can do it. Not make it into a paste, but just mix it. You can add all things according to your interest also, but the correct amount is ginger 1 small piece, garlic 4 or 5 you can take, and then green chilies also 4 or 5. So make this paste and add this paste. After putting the tomato, you add this paste also. You make it earlier so that you can add it when that. So after putting this half paste, you add flour and potato, which you have made it into pieces. Okay, so that also go on stirring so that everything gets mixed up. Then we have to add the garam masalas. 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of biryani masala. So 1 tablespoon of chili powder, or equivalent to 2 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder. So whatever you like to do, or according to your taste. If you want more hot, you can add more. So garam masala and biryani masala is also added 1 table, and after then go on stirring and mix it very well. Then you add tomato that is made into pieces. So that also you stir and make it mix together. As tomatoes become soft, then you start adding carrot, bean, and green peas. Okay, so that is also mix it up well. Okay, add 1 half glass of water or 1 glass of water. Half glass of water is enough, otherwise you will get more gravy coming out. We don't need so much gravy. So half of glass water or little more, 3/4 glass of water you add, and then boil it. Okay, and after getting boiled, you can add mint and coriander. Okay, good amount of mint and coriander makes the biryani more tastier. So you can add good amount of mint and coriander. So after all these things, you have to do one more thing. That is, you buy some 200 grams of paneer and slice it into small cube, and then add it at this stage and mix it very well. So you have the vegetable mixture ready for your biryani. So now the last stage of biryani is to mix it up all together, and that is called as, and it is almost like Dham. We are not doing the technique completely, but we will put it in a very closed frying pan so that it all gets mixed together with the sweet aroma and smell, and we'll get a very nice sweet smelling tasty vegetable paneer biryani. Okay, so now for that you have to take a big pan because we have to mix both all these quantities together. The first thing you have to do is take a frying pan, put it on a sim gas, and then add ghee, 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons, according 1 tablespoon is enough, or a little more if according to your taste. You can add ghee. So now after adding ghee, you add this our vegetable into that. So put all the vegetable in the pan. Then after that, we have made that onion frying, and also this kismis and cashew. That you can add. Not full, little bit you add. Okay, over this vegetable. Okay, mix. So you then we add the rice. So cover it with rice, then stop. Then again add a little more onion. So keep some amount of onion and cashew aside. So we need it later on. So but go on adding. So then some mint also you have to add. Mint leaves, both sides. In earlier stage also you add mint leaves. This time also add mint leaves. Then again some more rice and cover it completely. And then add again this kismis, cashew, and mint leaves over it, and fried onions also. Then again you just, this is okay. Then you add rice again, cover it. So as all the rice completed, so 3-4 times you make it like this, layering with fried onions, cashews, kismis, and then mint leaves. So that makes it very tasty. So then in the top also you add all these things. Then close the frying pan you take and make it and dum it for 10 to 15 minutes. It will remain there. And once your top of the pans get hot, you can understand the mixture has sweetly mixed together. So that is the time you can taste your biryani. So take out, mix it very well with all the ingredients mixed together. You can have a very sweet smelling, sweet tasting vegetable paneer or paneer vegetable dum biryani. Okay, vegetable biryani. So that is what recipe is all about. I hope you will definitely try this recipe. If you try this recipe, definitely it will be tastier. Okay, next time, see you with another beautiful recipe. Till that time, goodbye.